Welcome, welcome, and thanks for joining me on the last video of this series of this 7-day course on getting your online affiliate marketing business started. No, my voice hasn't changed. I just wanted to give a big shout out to Michael Day. He's been mentoring me, and he was nice enough to actually provide the first 6 videos, and he set those all up for me. He gave me access to them, and he said, "Here you go, buddy. Get your business up and running. I'm going to help you out." So I took it and ran with it, and I just really wanted to say thank you, Michael. Really appreciate the help there, but I know I've got to eventually get on my own 2 feet and do this on my own, so that's what I'm doing today. My name is Assad, and I'm going to be wrapping up this last part of the 7-part series before I start my own series on affiliate marketing and promoting products online. So I just wanted to finish up by providing you one last email. And this is an email that I actually wrote. So my style is a little bit different. You know, I've been studying copywriting for a couple years now, and my style is a little bit different, but they still are pretty effective. So I'm going to provide that email in the description so you can just copy and paste it into my lead gen secrets. So that's what we're going to take you through today. Now, do me a favor and subscribe and like the channel as we go through this procedure here and get this email sent out. And when you get a chance to comment on the video and let me know what you thought of the process so far. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd like to help you out if I can. You know, I've been doing this for a little while now, and I'm feeling pretty confident about it. So let me know what I can do to help you out to get you started if you got any questions or need a little help and a little nudge on how to get things rolling. If you're new to the channel, you're going to want to start on video 1 because it'll make this whole process make a lot more sense, and you'll be able to start from the beginning. I did provide the links in video 1 and in this video on the offer that you're going to be providing in this email and the link to get to my lead gen secret and sign up with them. I do recommend at least 2 accounts. I've got 5 accounts, but you should, I mean, if you can only do one, hey, you can only do one. That's okay. At least you're getting started. But if you can do it 2 accounts, it's $60 per account for the first month, and then it's only $30 per month after that per account. So you're only talking $1 a day for that cost. Your total investment per month after that first month is only going to be about $55 if you do the $25 offer affiliate program as part of your offer, and the My Lead Gen Secrets, which is another $30 per month. So you're only looking at $55 per month with the potential to make you between $1,000 and $5,000 per month once things get rolling. But I just wanted to say that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This does take a little bit of effort, just a little bit of work, a little bit of learning, going through the process, but you will get there, I promise you. All right, so we're first going to head over to the mailing system here. Going to select our leads in for the day. I'm going to set my setting here to My Lead Gen Secret. You can either do your name or you can set it to the My Lead Gen Secret at no reply. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and copy or paste in my body of my text since that's what I've already copied. And then let me go ahead and copy in the title of the email or the subject of the email here. I can get that put in here. Whoops, there we go. And again, I'm going to provide this in the description of this video so you can just copy and paste that right into your My Lead Gen Secret. So here we go. I popped that in, and then we're going to go over to Samcart. That's the offer. I'm going to do the all-in-one $25 business. So I'm going to copy my link there and going to go highlight my link, put in my link. We're going to drop that in. Whoops. There we go. There's my link. And there we go. Everything's set to go. And then, of course, you would just I'm going to put my name in here, but you would set your own name. And then you just hit perfect timing, and then you hit the send, and there we go. We've got another email out for their 24-hour time span. And then we come back and do the same thing tomorrow with the new email. And again, promoting the $25 Home Business Academy. So there you have it. I'm going to be back on here in hopefully a few days after I get a few more videos created and start my own process of doing this video and helping you guys out, creating emails, sharing my process, and going through this together with you. So until then, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. We'll see you soon.